We talked earlier in the show, Franklin's certified. I got a couple in the show tonight. Well, here's the big set and the crazy price. Let's just go right to it, shall we? The last 5 years of the Franklins. Just look at how beautiful that looks. That means 1959 to 1963. The graphic tells you that as well. The key here is they're all 64s. Now look at the coins. Notice how blast white they are? They have the same look to them, don't they? You can see the cameras that are in front of us and then the lighting wrapped around us. The lighting is bouncing off the coin in the same exact image across all of them. How can they do that? Well, because the coins are blast white beauties. Outright blast white beauties. 175.75 divided by 5 equals $34.95 for a certified 64. Yes, that's crazy. Here's the math on coins and capsules. We'll start there because it makes it even more fun. Before I do that, though, E and S and state at 12 o'clock. Right below that, you notice the blank? That is where the mint mark would be, but this is a Philadelphia, so there is no mint mark. The D or the S would be there if these were Denver or San Francisco issues, okay? Now let's get to the fun. The fun is, in 1959, in 60 condition, in a capsule, is $63.75. The 60, $72.95. The 61, $68.50. The 62, $75. The 63, $65. Add them all up, just under $350, double our price. Ours are 64s. 64s, everyone. Now here's the other side, which everybody skips over. How many proof sets were out there, right? How many proof sets were out there? 2-3 million sets, right? That's the way it was capped for basically the early 60s. The only way to get a proof was in a proof set, right? But uncirculated were made for circulation. Whole different game. Whole different game. They were available going into your bank. They were available buying the uncirculated set, right? So these were not the proofs, which is kind of like a collector coin. These were the circulating coins, which makes them even rarer and more special. You're looking at mintages where you get 1962 as an example. 9.7 million coins made. But today, in 64 condition or higher, 35 years of NGC doing what they do. And the timeout here is they only get paid when they put coins in holders like this and give us their opinion. They only maintain getting paid every day for the last 35 years if their opinion is good. Right? They do their job well. 1980 was the game changer in the Franklin series. In any of the earlier silvers. The vintage silvers, as we'll call it. Right? 1980, silver goes to $50 an ounce. So if you do the math, that means these half dollars were melting for 20 bucks a piece, give or take. And it doesn't matter if they were uncirculated, circulated culls from proof sets. Doesn't matter. Didn't matter. Right? Just didn't matter. And then after all that happens, NGC opens their doors, PCGS is with them as well, and now we have independent certification. So all the coins disappear before the series starts for certification. That's the big difference maker. It's not the absolute, but it destroyed a lot of coins, which is why you don't find a lot of coins. I mean, finding original rolls, you find one here, one there, and that's about it. How about this one? Let's go year by year, shall we, and how few of them are known to exist. In 64 or higher, so I mean 64, 64, FBL, full bell lines, 65, etc. Added together, these are the numbers. 5924, 4875, 5257. The rarest here is the 62. That one's 4020. 63 Franklin's 13,039. So 4 of the 5 are tiny numbers. And then again, the 63, that's tiny. The rarest proof silver eagle ever was 3 years ago, 2019, the S Enhanced Reverse Proof. Right? We made 30,000 coins, sold out faster than you could spell U.S. Mint, or say Mississippi, right? It just sold out, bam, gone. Today, in 70 condition, there are over 10,000 known to exist, and it's a $3,500 coin. Because the market bears low mintage, low pop. Well, if 10,000 is low pop, then what are these? Considering they're 3/4 of a century old. And they look this gorgeous. Now, there were a few more coins. We kicked out all the uglies. The ones with toning, spots, brown, hazing, etc. These are all blast white as the homogeneous set you see on your screen, which is just like the ones you're going to be getting yourself. Not $346 for a Mint State 60 set in capsules with a little box. Ours are certified by NGC. Their certification here would cost you north of $125. And you got to pay the freight both ways. Why not just buy the best with us directly? $34.95 times 5 equals $174.75. Outright gorgeous, outright best. And tonight we have them finally back in stock. If you have an extra 62, you're lucky, because that's the coin to have from this 5-year set. Think about that, though. If a silver eagle today, in uncirculated condition in 70, from the last 5 years, has a known population of over 200,000 coins in 70. Do any of them sell for less than $79, $89 each? Which is double the price of each of these coins. And these coins, there are only $59.24, $48.75, etc. Guys, we got to put a 1-minute clock. We're down to single digits left. If you are visiting us via the web, that will be avccoins.com on your smartphone, your laptop, your home computer. Please park this one, check out the order number. That'll lock it in. And if I can entice you with anything else later in the show, give us a call. Love to have you back. I just don't want anybody missing out on this set. This set is the deal. It is very, very unique. Selling individual coins, always challenging. Normally you see one here, one there as we bring out 64 or higher graded Franklins. But every once in a while we get a chance to put a collection together. And when we do, we just do one thing. Destroy on the price side. Quality on the other. 64 grade, blast white appearance, and a low price of just $34.95. That is the AVC way if there ever was one. And tonight, how about this set being back for the first time in almost 9 months? That's a keeper. Talk to my operators. Don't miss out.